to another YouTube video. Guess what we're doing today? You can't guess, actually, because we've never done anything like this before. We don't even know what we're doing today, as a matter of fact. We have signed up for a Victorian hair workshop. If any of you guys watched my videos previously, which some of you probably do out there, have watched one or two of my videos before, you will know that I am interested in Victorian mourning jewelry. I have a collection of it myself. So I found this very cool, free, completely free workshop online where you can sign up and learn how to make Victorian hair flowers like they did in mourning jewelry. And I thought, well, I'm probably going to be fucking terrible at that, but pandemic, you guys, and there's nothing going on, and I am very pleased that things like this are still happening virtually so that we can learn to do probably very bad crafts in the privacy of our own medieval forts. I was going to say home, but we're not at home. We're in the medieval fort. So there you go. So we got Jessica. We got Brody, who I would like to say copied my look today. Nerds. We accidentally got dressed in the same shirt this morning, so I don't know. I guess we're just weird old people from Florida that wear matching jogging suits now. Are you ready for that? Us to just wear matching outfits for the rest of our lives? No, he says no. Okay. Anyway, so we've got some supplies. Let me show you what we've got. Hang on. Okay. So here's what she asked us to set up in advance. We're supposed to have a chopstick or a skewer. So we each have skewers. We're supposed to have a very large clamp, which luckily I have a shitload of these for sewing purposes. So we have that. This is what we were sent in the mail. This little bag of hair and also some wires, which are looped like this. We have scissors, we have pins, we have black thread. And she also said to find a few buttons, but I don't know if you know this, I have almost no buttons, like almost none. So I scrounged around and I managed to find a few buttons here. So, you know, we have our choice of one or two when it comes to the time that we need buttons. So we each have the same setup. Brody's, mine, Jessica's. Oh, look, she's got her clamp to the table already. She's ready. She's ready for it. So I hope we don't fuck this up too bad. Let's go! Well, we've only just started.
So if I was to look,
this is complicated as shit.
Table, I'd see one little
hard time?
And no wire from underneath.
We're having a hard time.
On top, as you can see, I'm seeing a crossed over wire.
They're showing us videos on the screen. Like, this is like hair workshop for dummies, but we're the dummies. This is really hard. How you doing, Brody?
Doing okay.
You're rapping. Ooh. Rapping.
It's gonna be real tight.
That's good. I got this so far. We're doing it. Sort of, kind of.
No, I'm not.
So she just told us that this shouldn't be too tight. And mine is like super ass tight. So, uh-oh.
Super ass tight.
Look! We slid it off the skewer.
I did a fucko.
Oh.
Questions now about
Yep.
the practice.
Yep.
I don't know what I did.
We have weird hair wangs. Time to do another one. Do hair wangs. Jessica's got two. Brody's got two over there. Now we're on to our third ones. It's going. I don't know if we're getting any better.
I don't think so.
But it's going.
See hair from multiple people because it's more of a family tree, but you will also see pieces of this kind of hair work dedicated to one person. Often,
look at how good some people are doing.
In the case of something like
Isn't that amazing?
Once they had passed away,
not so much us. I have 3 hair wangs. Working on 4. Brody's working on 3.
This is my last couple rounds of number 3.
Cool. Jessica is about midway through number 3.
Yeah.
We're doing, I was gonna say great, but that's kind of a lie.
mentioned this
I have
piece before,
5 hair
a
wings.
sheet of white paper goes a long
I gotta make 'em into
way,
something.
to showing something off.
Okay, so this is what we ended up with. There was a mad dash at the end with a lot of wires and panic. So we didn't get to film any in-between biddies. But this is Jessica's, which I think is really cute, actually. I like the flat style. I just, was a basic bitch and did what everybody else did, apparently. This one's mine. With a lot of mess in the back, but that's okay. No one sees that part, right? And this is Brody's, which he...
People throw the word special around.
Yep.
That is truly a special piece.
It is a special piece of art, yes. It's very asymmetrical. The white ended up on one side, but Brody marches to the beat of his own drum. What can I say? So I don't know. I ended up using more tools. I got pliers. I wheeled away at one point and got pliers. They said you don't need them, but that's a fucking lie. I used the pliers. We didn't use the buttons at all, or the thread. Apparently you can put buttons and shit in the middle if you want to, but we were going so fast and furious because we were running out of time to finish them that we didn't do that. So I don't know. Anyway, not too bad for our first time, I think. All right, that's the end. Oh my God, that was an hour and a half. And I feel like the first part of it went really slow. And then near the end, it was just oh God, panic and twist wires and things. And we didn't know what anyone else was doing. And she kind of also didn't tell us how to put them together. There was a lot of instruction on how to make the hair wraps, and then it was just hey, has anyone done their flowers yet? And we were all what? What? We're supposed to be done our flowers? Panic! So I just sort of started making shit up, and I don't actually know if this is how they're supposed to go together. But anyway, so this is fucking fun. I would do this again. It's time consuming, but I enjoyed it. I might get into Victorian hair work as an hobby. Anyone out there? Mail me your fucking hair. If you cut your hair, mail me your hair. I'm gonna make a weird ass thing. It's gonna be great. I'm delighted about it. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Meh.
He's meh, meh. Yeah. I mean, I didn't really have a hard time, but I'm a pretty, high level crafter, so I'm okay. Jessica struggled a bit.
Yeah, a lot.
But, she's got expert friends to help her out with such things.
Thank God.
Right? Brody did good on his own, except that he was wrapping his hair so tight he couldn't get it off the skewers a lot of the time. So
I have the same problem when I knit.
yeah,
I
you knit
too
really tight, yeah. Learning curve. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching us make weird toddler-level hair art. I had a good time. Gonna do it again, hopefully, in the future. And look out for cool events in your area, because just because there's a pandemic going on doesn't mean there's not cool shit you can sign up and do, like Victorian hair art. So if you like this video, if you could give it a flower up, that would be great. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications when we put out new vlogs or weird shit. Who knows what we're going to be doing? Ring the bell. If you want to follow us on all the things, Jessica.
This is the JessiCat27 on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. I think everything. I'll links all down there.
You sure?
Getting really close to my face. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm all the same name.
Perfect. That's her. If you want to follow me on any of the things, I'm Madame_Absinthe on Instagram and on Twitter. Facebook, just Madame Absinthe. What else? Oh, we have Depop. It's sort of a collective Depop. If you want to look at our Depop, we sell secondhand shit on there. Depop.com/MadameAbsinthe. If you want to, what else? Oh, buy me a Ko-fi. You can do that too. Ko-fi.com/MadameAbsinthe. It supports the maintenance of my sewing machines and my weird fabric art. Oh, TikTok. We all have TikTok. Well, actually, Brody doesn't. That's a lie. We do. TikTok, JessiCat27, Madame Absinthe on Facebook if you want to watch us act like idiots on there. Brody, who is now leaning over the table, has some of the things. He has Instagram, Misanthropist, Misanthro, PISSED, _ at the end. Twitter, same thing, Misanthropist, no _ at the end. And that's it. Like, subscribe, follow us on all the things, ring the bell for notifications, buy us a Ko-fi if you want to, check out our stupid TikTok videos, look at our Depop to buy our secondhand shit, appreciate the effort we put into these goddamn things, and that is it. We will see you guys around for our next awesome vlog. Mail me your hair, seriously. Seriously, I'm not lying. Mail it to me. It's gonna be amazing!